Which process is common in all animals? Photosynthesis, osmosis, respiration, or none of the above? And the correct answer is respiration. Autonomic movements are with the help of internal force of organism, with the help of outer energy, movement of organ or movement of whole body. And the correct answer is with the help of internal force of organism. Catabolism is growth, reproduction, building up process, or destructive process giving energy. And the correct answer is destructive process giving energy. Assimilation is production of energy with the help of food, ingestion of food, absorption of digested food, a change of food into new simple molecules. And the correct answer is change of food into new simple molecules. Adaptability is chemical adjustment, psychological adjustment, physical adjustment, or biological adjustment. And the correct answer is biological adjustment. Viruses are disease-causing bacteria, disease-causing protozoa, a thing in between living and non-living, disease-causing salt and gas. And the correct answer is a thing in between living and non-living. Cellulose is fat, carbohydrate, protein, or none of the above. And the correct answer is carbohydrate. Prokaryotic cells are green cells, pigment cells, dividing cells, or cells without distinct nucleus. And the correct answer is dividing cells. In animals, growth starts after birth, after fertilization, during puberty, or continues throughout life. And the correct answer is after fertilization. Which of the following does not lay eggs? Lizard, bat, pigeon, or platypus? And the correct answer is bat. Watch our other videos. Support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon.